A strange experience last week when I sneezed and a whole dream sequence like went into my consciousness for like one split second. It must have been like a nanosecond, and then disappeared again. So I've had it before where I had just flashes, but this one came with a sneeze. It was funny. Sneeze, dream, bang, done. It was really, really weird. Like, and then disappeared as quickly as it came. It was the strangest thing ever. I've had that before where I just remember my dreams during the day. They just come as a flash. Like it's like a memory, you know, like a dream. I just see the whole dream and then it disappears again. I've had it like, I have it frequently, to be honest with you. Like have that like probably at least once a week. But yeah, it's funny, last week did it in a sneeze.